welcome to our review on burning hydrocarbons. First thing we need to understand then is what we're talking about when we refer to a fuel. So a fuel is a substance that's going to react with oxygen and release useful energy, and this is usually in the form of heat energy. So in order to actually make that fuel burn or to undergo combustion, then we need oxygen, and that oxygen usually comes from the air. If we've got a plentiful supply of our oxygen, then we will see a process called complete combustion happening. Okay, so when hydrocarbons burn completely, we make two things. We're going to make carbon dioxide and we're going to make water. The carbon atoms are going to react with oxygen from our air to make the carbon dioxide, and the hydrogen atoms are going to react with the oxygen in the air to make water. So remember, our hydrocarbon is made of carbon and hydrogen only. So obviously the carbon from it reacts with oxygen from the air to make carbon dioxide, hydrogen reacting with the oxygen to make our water. So you've got the word equation at the bottom there that shows you what's happening. And if you were asked to write a word equation in the exam, your question would literally give you everything you need to get the mark. So your question would be along the lines of, when methane burns in oxygen, it creates carbon dioxide and water. Write a word equation for this. So all you need to do is write down methane plus oxygen, put your arrow in, carbon dioxide plus water on the other side. It's a nice easy mark that everyone should get. In class, hopefully you saw a little demonstration about how we can test the products of complete combustion to prove we are making carbon dioxide and water. So in the diagram there, you can see the equipment setup that hopefully you've seen in class. On the left hand side, we've got our flame and a little funnel connected to a delivery tube that goes into our first test tube there, which has got cobalt chloride paper in it, and then into the second test tube, which has got some lime water in there. Now what we're going to see is, as that flame is burning, we are going to see our lime water going from the colourless to cloudy, and that tells us carbon dioxide is present, and the cobalt chloride paper is going to change from the blue colour to pink, which tells us that water is present.